Hey, J.Schreck, your motorcycleguys.com, and it's a two-world world. I just started that, and man, we got like a half a subscriber, however the hell you get a half a subscriber. But if you've known me, I've been in the motorcycle business for a long, long time. I've been in the Harley side, I've been in the import side. And so the new channel is going to talk about a lot of things motorcycle related. I've been in most of the different brands. Some's going to be new. There's going to be some exciting stuff. I've been out of the motocross side for a long, long time, and the ADV looks like an exciting thing to get into. And I remember in the day when motorcycle shops were really fun, and that when you were excited as a kid. And I was that kid that went into that motorcycle shop and went around and just dreamed. I was that guy that said, "Man, motorcycles are absolutely the most exciting thing to me that I could possibly even do." And it started with bicycles. The first feeling of freedom that I got to be out on that. And then I had a mini bike, and the mini bike, the chain wouldn't start, or the chain wouldn't stay on the bike, and well, maybe it wouldn't start either. But and then the Honda 50 came out, man, and all of a sudden you could ride it all the time, and the chain stayed on, and it was cool. And that's why there's a love of those bikes out there, the monkeys, because guys like me that also wanted the Swin Cherry crates. And so what I'm doing is going back and trying to look at just my own experience in the motorcycle world, and how do you get back to that excitement? Now, you guys won't believe this, but a long, long time ago, the motorcycle shop was closed on Saturday. It was like, oh shit, I better get down the motorcycle shop, because those guys were looking at their watches. When it's noon, their asses were out. And where were they? They were riding them motorcycles. I remember that. I remember having to get up, maybe hungover, maybe not, run my ass down to the bike shop. Why? Because they were going to close at noon, and they weren't going to be back till Tuesday. And that was everybody. What a great experience that was. Now, I understand today, maybe the corporate world has pushed it way too far over the other line. Maybe some of the fun is out of it. Maybe we all got old. I don't know. But there's a way to bring that back, and that's what our goal is to bring back, maybe with a little bit of reflection of the old days of the motorcycle shop. And one thing that I see out there too is, man, there's a lot of comments to these guys that are out there making videos. Don't be a dick to these guys. Motorcycle guys were always the cool guys. They weren't the dicks. They were all in the cool guy kind of deal. So don't screw that up, and don't be a dick to people. If you don't like what the content they're putting out there, whether that be mine or anybody else's on YouTube, then don't watch it. But don't be a dick. J.Schreck, we're going to talk a lot about what it's like in the motorcycle world and what we can do to make it cool again. Let me know in your comments what you think about that. And J.Schreck, yourmotorcycleguys.com, and it's a two-world world. You're going to see a lot of stuff from us coming out, so get ready, hold on to your asses. Maybe we'll get 2 subscribers next time I'm on here. Adios, amigos.